Xiaomi has officially announced the launch of HyperOS 3, which is not merely a standard update. The company asserts that they have incorporated over 100 enhancements aimed at improving usability, productivity, and efficiency, all driven by artificial intelligence and based on user feedback. We can only hope that it will ultimately evolve into a significantly more mature operating system. Hopefully, they will eventually remove the ads, but we will see how that unfolds gradually once we get a chance to try it out. For now, what we can share is that Xiaomi has announced significant improvements in the performance of this operating system. They've even enhanced its power consumption, so it's bound to be an update that will generate a lot of discussions. However, one of the most remarkable features is the new Super Island. According to Xiaomi, this function is poised to establish. As they always tend to use very nice words, it's basically a dynamic island copied from Apple, but improved. Unlike traditional notification systems, the Super Island uses a multi-island approach that allows you to have up to 3 concurrent notification panels in real time, meaning you can monitor multiple ongoing activities such as calls, some travel, notifications or order delivery notifications and the like, all at the same time. But it is not only a notification that will allow you to see certain content, but also allows you to extract relevant information with a simple drag and drop gesture in case you want to also, for example, insert in a message some content that you are seeing in that notification. The operating system also receives a complete redesign of the desktop and lock screen. The icons are now completely different, more similar to iOS, adapting the iOS color palette. For instance, previously the Messages app icon was yellow, but now it has changed to green, similar to what you see on the iPhone. In general, the icons appear more refined and contemporary. Additionally, the status bar has undergone a transformation, adopting a design that is much clearer and more simplified. Furthermore, is more consistent. On the lock screen, there's a design featuring a larger clock centered, supporting layers for a depth effect. The new AI analyzes your photo to keep you in front of the clock. This is a feature that was already present, but they have enhanced it with bigger clocks. Additionally, there will now be dynamic animated backgrounds, which will remain above the clock, further perfecting these effects. On top of that, HyperOS 3 introduces new artificial intelligence capabilities, including dynamic wallpapers with the styles I mentioned, and depth effects. These improvements make the experience. However, the translation functions have also been enhanced, now offering support for subtitles in 29 different languages. Additionally, the Super Xiao A1 assistant has been upgraded for more efficient text selection and more precise information retrieval. While these tools typically focus on China, the company has also enhanced the tablet experience by introducing improved split-screen multitasking, adjust the aspect ratio of the floating application view along with a browser layout that's optimized specifically for larger screens. However, one of the most daring pieces of news is that HyperOS 3 now allows for nearly seamless cross-platform integration with Apple devices. For instance, Xiaomi applications can now operate directly on Mac screens, as though they were distinct windows of various other applications. Therefore, not only can you operate your Xiaomi phone from a Mac, but you can also convert applications to utilize them in a tablet format with floating windows externally. So it's not just a simple screen mirroring, but a truly multi-device experience, even compatible with the Mac's fingerprint reader. To unlock your device, the system also introduces two-way message syncing, allowing you to reply to messages on your Xiaomi directly from your iPhone. Because in China, it looks like they have an iPhone and they also have a Xiaomi. Therefore, for individuals who are utilizing iPhone, these devices, it will be quite interesting that from your iPhone, you can also control your Xiaomi device. Additionally, Mi Share is available to facilitate seamless file transfers and ensure work continuity. They have further improved communication management by synchronizing notifications for calls, text messages, and Chinese apps like WeChat and Kuku, which allows you to view and share albums from Xiaomi Cloud directly even when using an iPhone. As I mentioned, Xiaomi states the system optimization has greatly improved. They say it's at 30%. The system will operate much more smoothly. This means that applications will launch significantly faster. In fact, they released a video showing robots specifically testing the application launch process to demonstrate how the performance will be both smoother and faster. Additionally, they have enhanced animations, refined the blur effects, and overall, the operating system will feel much more. In conclusion, the company prioritized HyperOS on recent devices. The official list of devices set to receive it has been published, led by Xiaomi 15, 15 Pro and 15 Ultra. Also included are Xiaomi 15 Seconds Pro, Xiaomi 14, Xiaomi 13 and 13 Pro, Xiaomi CV5 Pro, Mix Fold 4, Redmi K80, Pro and K80 Ultra, Redmi K70 Ultra, Poco F7 Pro, Xiaomi Mix Flip, Xiaomi Pad 7 Pro, Pad 7 Seconds Pro in both sizes, Redmi K-Pad, and finally Redmi Pad 2 4G. Keep in mind, this is the HyperOS 3 version for China. It's crucial to keep in mind that certain features might be altered or might not even be included in the global release. Therefore, we'll need to be patient and wait to discover which features will actually be available when this release happens. This is likely to coincide with the launch of the next generation Xiaomi 16, which we anticipate will be unveiled in January. So we for the global launch. For now, users in China can already start enjoying this update that looks very interesting, but let me know in the comments if you think Xiaomi's integration with Apple devices is a smart strategy to gain more users.